Hello you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Slimeretta Gaming, and today I'm just going to do an unboxing of my Nintendo Switch that I just received, and that's about it. Okay, this is basically how it looks. I purchased it from GameStop. I'm just going to open it up so you can see what all comes in the inside. Subscribe to my channel, I'm new to this, so here you have the Joy-Con, just the blue, comes in a little clear packaging. Another Joy-Con, which is red, comes in also a clear packaging. This is the actual Switch itself, comes in a clear packaging. So basically you just have the Switch, brand new, looks really good. Here you have an HDMI. This is the cord to get it to connect to the TV if you want to play it in the actual TV mode. This is where you put the two Joy-Cons to play in the controller form. Just a side rail for if you're going to play with your hand, if you want to have it like hooked to your wrist. And this is the dock. This is the dock. Back here, it opens flap. That's where you plug this cord here and the HDMI. I'm probably gonna upload another video showing me actually hooking it up to the TV and everything, but I just want to get the unboxing. And that's pretty much it that comes in the box. I also purchased this controller because I'm used to playing in a controller format. I'm not really used to playing, you know, with the Joy-Con or whatever. Plus, if I want to play two players, these are the two games that I purchased, just Luigi Mansion and Pokemon Go. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Like I said, this is my first video. Yeah, I thank you so much.